Meaning of dreich.
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 Dreich. Dreich is a word from Scottish dialect that describes a type of weather which is dull, gloomy and dreary. It can be applied to days which are overcast, rainy, and generally unpleasant. The word often carries connotations of melancholy, depression and a sense of drudgery. A dreich day can make people feel lethargic and unmotivated, as well as prompting them to seek comfort indoors. In essence, dreich denotes a type of weather that doesn't inspire enthusiasm or positivity, and can have a negative effect on people's mood and outlook.